guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'd like to do a subscriber shout out to the fabulous Denix56 for suggesting garlic bread. Now I've made bread in my most recent video. It is the no knead bread, which ended up turning out great. So then I thought, okay, making it into garlic bread really can't be that hard. Even if I just rub garlic on it, then it's technically garlic bread. But seriously, this recipe is super easy. It is absolutely fantastic. Let's just get to it. Ingredients you'll need: 3 cloves of garlic, some fresh bread, preferably in slices, but you can put this on a whole loaf of bread if you need to, 4 ounces of butter at or around room temperature. You just want it to be soft enough to smash, a couple pinches of salt, a teaspoon of basil. A garlic press will be really helpful to you in this particular recipe, and a bowl that has some kind of covering, so you can just put it in the fridge when you're done making it. This is one of those recipes where you essentially thunk everything into a bowl and mix it together, but just in case you're a more visual learner, I'm going to walk through the steps anyways. Skin your garlic. Well, I guess we're using 2.5 garlic now, but who's counting? After you skin them, place them all in your garlic press in a manner of your choosing and leave them at the bottom of the bowl. The reason we're pressing the garlic is to give us the most consistent texture possible. Add your butter on top. Sprinkle on the basil and add your salt. I guess I decided I wanted pepper too. If you want to add it, just do a few turns or a couple sprinkles if you have it pre-ground. The nice thing about this recipe is you can bend and manipulate it to your taste preferences. Add spice, remove or add herbs, it doesn't matter, just don't overpower the garlic. Mash it together with a fork until it's well combined. This can take a bit. You'll notice stop when you see little flecks of basil throughout your butter. I decided to test this out on bread I recently made on my channel. The link will be in the description. I will see how it tastes on bread normally versus how it comes out on bread that's been in the toaster oven. Make sure to spread a nice thick layer of it onto your slices. It's super easy to make more, so don't be stingy. You deserve it. Well, you can probably guess that that was really hot since I threw it onto the plate. Hindsight is really a pain in your hand. The untoasted one is alright. There's not a lot of flavor jumping at you, but there's muted tones of garlic and it's buttery. Putting this on bread and toasting it is where it's at. The butter melts into the bread and fills it with this delicious garlicky flavor, and some of the basil makes it through. You can eat it on untoasted bread if you want, but the rest of us may look at you weirdly. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified every time I post. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have made this and it worked out well or poorly for you, and if you want to have a say in a future recipe. I am always watching my comment sections. Anyways, take care till my next video.